Hey everyone, I'm Lydia from Rick's Review Hub, and I'm thrilled to dive into the Emeril Lagasse Dual Zone 360 air fryer oven. If you're looking for a versatile kitchen gadget that can whip up crispy fries, juicy roasts, or even pizza with ease, this might just be your new favorite appliance. Let's get cooking. First, let's break down what makes this air fryer so special. This 25-quart beauty combines 10 cooking functions, like air frying, baking, roasting, toasting, and dehydrating, all in one sleek stainless steel package. Its dual-zone technology lets you cook two foods at different temperatures simultaneously, with quick sync to ensure everything finishes together. It has 24 presets for dishes like ribs, pizza, or pastries, and 360-degree air circulation for even golden results. The French doors make it easy to access, and it comes with a crisper tray, baking pan, drip tray, pizza rack, rotisserie spit, and a recipe book by Emeril himself. Now, the pros. The dual zones are a game changer. You can air fry wings in one zone and bake veggies in the other, all done at the same time. It's family-sized, fitting a 12-inch pizza or a whole chicken, and cooks up to 60% faster than traditional ovens. Cleanup is a breeze with the stainless steel interior, and users love the quiet operation compared to other air fryers. The included accessories make it super versatile. On the cons side, it's a bit pricey, around $200, so it's an investment. Some users report the plastic base under the French doors can overheat during long cooks, so follow the manual closely. It's also bulky, so you'll need ample counter space. Who's this for? If you love hosting, meal prepping, or want one appliance to replace multiple kitchen gadgets, this air fryer is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for families or anyone craving quick, healthy meals. If you have a small kitchen or only cook for one, a compact model might suit you better, but for most, this is a powerhouse. Ready to elevate your cooking? Click the link in the description for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Thanks for watching, and let's make every meal delicious.